Hi everyone, Kathy Crafty Chica here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy pop-up card. These are kits that I sell on my website. They're more like collage kits. There's supplies in there to make 2 different cards. I load these up, you will have a lot of extra supplies. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. So I have a blank greeting card and I cut a little notch right in the middle. It's a little off center, but you won't be able to tell once I'm done gluing it all together. So you want to crease that down. And now I'm going to apply some paper on top to cover the notch. I'm using my Crafty Chica paper from my paper pad. It's all sold out, but you know what? I'm designing a new paper pad that will be out in stores later this year, God willing, if everything goes well. I put a lot of different designs of the Crafty Chica paper inside each kit in different sizes. So I'm just taking a little piece here. I used my peeking shears to give it a little bit of texture. And I added that at the bottom. And then of course I'm going to add some washi tape. I love using washi tape that has typography because I feel like it just kind of breaks up the design. I'm going to cut away the excess of the tape, but you see the notch, how it's showing on the back? If you don't want that to show, just cover it with some washi tape or another piece of scrapbook paper. And I have some different images. This is an illustration that I did, and I took a lot of my artwork and reduced it down into little images that you could use on the card. These are little flowers that I use my die cut machine. They're from vintage papers, some old Spanish language dictionaries. I'm using some little dimensional foam dots to add the little picture on there. And of course we need some sparkle. So I added some glittered stars in there and some dimensional flowers. So okay, now we're gonna do the pop-up part, and you're gonna go into the card, add a little bit of dry adhesive, which also comes in the kit. And I'm going to fussy cut this little bezels word and put that in there. And look, it's a pop-up card. It is so cute, super easy to make. This is such a great craft, quarantine craft. So here's a couple of them that I did. Here's the one that I just finished that you saw me make. And I did another one for TikTok, and it is with a heart. And these are just stamps that I design, and I stamp them for you, put them in there. I also have a kit for shaker cards. You can see that video. I'll put the link. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share the love, share the crafty goodness. If you need any more crafty ideas, visit craftychica.com. Thanks guys, bye-bye.